Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to unlock UK Immigration ID Check app locked 24 hours. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to deal with a 24-hour lock on the UK Immigration ID Check app. This app allows visa applicants to verify their identity using NFC to scan a biometric or BRP. If too many scans fail due to incorrect passwords, chip printing issues, or mismatched details, the app automatically locks your account for 24 hours as a security measure. Unfortunately, there's no way to bypass this lock, so the primary solution is to wait out the full 24-hour period. Once the lock lifts, you can attempt the ID check again, but repeated failures will trigger another temporary lock. If you need urgent assistance or encounter persistent issues, the only alternative is to contact UKVI customer support directly. Explain your situation and request guidance. Patience is key, as the log is automatically managed by the system. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.